Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? How's everyone's year going so far? How's everything for you guys? My year has been great so far. Say hello. Say hello. 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 Bye. Go watch TV. So yeah, my year has been great so far. It's been wonderful. I cannot complain. I went back to Ghana in the beginning of the year and I came back. I spent 3 weeks there. I came back on the 30th of January. Yeah. Guess how much I paid for my hair? It's singles in the back and cornrows in the front, and I only paid 35 Ghana cities. Ghana cities. And that's 35 divided by 5 literally. And so yeah, it cost me less than $10 to get this hair done. Yeah. With the hair and everything, maybe $20 or $25. Yeah. Yeah, so I got my hair done in Ghana. Anyway, guys, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to everyone who has joined this family. I am so grateful. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate all the subscribers, the new subscribers, and my old subscribers as well. Don't forget to share. Just keep sharing. Let's get this channel to 1,000 this year. Let's share. And don't forget to like the videos as well. Thank you so much for the great job and coming along on this journey with me. So today, yeah, I ordered some hair on Amazon, and I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys and sit down and have a little talk. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I've never ordered any hair from Amazon before, maybe ponytails, but this is my first wig that I've ever gotten on Amazon. The first one is this box right here. And this is what it says there. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it says Sheen Real. Create beauty by heart. Create beauty by heart. And it says Sheen here right here. And this is how it looks. The box, it came in this black box and it was in the shipping box, so I'm yet to open it. And then the second one is this one. This is how it came. It came in a clear plastic thing with the hair bag inside, and it says "Win Girl, Win Girl," and they are both human hair. This one is 18 inches, as it says right there, 18 inches, and it's a body wave wig right there. Body wave wig, and it's 100% on unprocessed human hair. It's lace front human hair wig with pre-plucked hairline, and it's 220 density. The thickness is 220. And as I said before, it's 18 inches. So I'm going to start with that one. I'm going to open it. And this is, so it came in this clear plastic bag. And so that it came in, this is how it comes in the box, in the brown shipping box. Okay. So when you get it out of the clear one, it's a beautiful bag like that. And it's tied. So you open it just like so. And this is how it's looking. And in the bag is the hair in another zipped bag. And it says body wave. And it says 220 density and 18 inches right there. Body wave 220 and then 18-inch right there somewhere. Right there. Anyway, so that's it. I'm gonna put it on the side. We're gonna open that the hair. I just want to know what else is in the bag. So this is it. The bag is empty. They have this lash in here. Nice. Oh, and I got my nails done in Ghana. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. But yeah, this is it. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna wear it, but it's very thick and full. It's those dramatic ones. But yeah, in a plastic thing. And it's in a case again. Let's see if I could get it open. It's in a nice, beautiful case. If you can see it. It's like a diamond case. Okay, here. Oops. That's the case. And that's the lash. Let's fix it well. There we go. That's the lash right there. So that's it. And there's also a wig cap in here. There's 2 wig caps in this bag. And it's the neutral color. And then there's how to style it in here. Like everything about the hair, I think it's in here. Yeah, and other hairs and whatnot. They're all in here. Oh yeah, and how to wash it right there. How to wash it is right here. Yeah, and then you can give it a feedback on Amazon right here. Yeah, so that's it. How to wash it and dry it. Yeah, how to style it and everything is in there. And then there's this thank you card right there. And you know, it's tomorrow's Valentine's Day, so I think that's why it's pink. I don't know. So anyway, yeah, there's this thank you card in there. And it says, we appreciate that you ordered the hair from our store. As a thank you, I'm glad to remind you that we will send you a free gift. We have 5 different gifts as the following pictures. If you're interested, please text us or tell us which one gift you are interested. It doesn't, if you can read it. It doesn't make sense. So I have to read it the way. Yeah, and it's a makeup brush, eyeshadow palette. Yeah. Eyebrow brush. The beauty blenders, and then eyelashes. I don't know, but yeah. I don't know. Yeah, but that's all that's in the box. On that note, I want to wish everybody a happy Valentine's Day. Love yourself. Love yourself. Love yourself. Don't wait for somebody to love you before you feel loved. Love yourself, okay? And appreciate yourself. If you don't have anyone calling you or taking you out, take yourself out, okay? So I took the hair out of the bag, and this is the hair body wave. It comes wrapped in a hair net, like so, like every other wig that you get. The way it comes, it's packaged. So once you take off the little net, oh, come off my hand. There's this paper in the cup right there. As I stated earlier, it's all lace, so the inside is like this. It's all lace. I don't know if you can see. All lace round. Ooh. And there's a little, it's lace, but it's like a bit thicker. And it has a clip in the back. Oh. She came back again to say hello, so we had to pause everything. Say hello. Go back. Go play. Go watch TV. Okay? Go watch TV. Anyway, girl. So let's get back to the hair. So it's lace. It has a comb right here. Another comb. So that's the front. So a comb in the front or in the middle, because this is the front. And there's another comb to the side right here. And there's a third one to the side. And there's the last one at the bottom, the back of the hair. I don't know if you can see. So yeah, it's pre-plumbed. So it's beautiful. I like it. I can't put it on because I have braids on, but it has no scent or smell. It's beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. It's very beautiful. The only thing I think it's short for 18 inches. I don't know. Is it? I don't know. But it's a beautiful hair. I love it. Smells good. It's very thick. And it has the baby hair on there. So I don't know. Let me see if I could put it on this thing. I think it looks beautiful. It's good. It's not shedding. So I don't know. I don't know if it's ever gonna shed or anything. Right. And I hope you can see the baby hair. And the lace matches my skin. Can you see that? Oh, it's beautiful. It's looking puff because of my cornrows, my braids. But it looks good. I like it. I like it. It's beautiful, guys. I like it. I'll show you guys when I take my braids down and I style it. I don't have a comb here to get a line, but I'm not sure if we can do a straight line in there or what. We'll find out once. We'll see if it's the middle path or what. It looks good. Okay, so this is the first one. I like it. I like it so far. I like it. There's nothing wrong with it that I can complain about for now. So this is number one. Ooh, I love the wave at the bottom. So if you're interested, I will put the link down below for you guys. Okay, let's put it back in the net. And in the bag. And in the hair bag. And let's move on to the next one. So moving on to this one right here. When you open the box, this is how it's looking in there. There's a little face towel, and it also comes in hair bag or storage bag, whatever this is called. And then there's a towel in here, little face towel, and it says Sheen Real, and it has the WhatsApp number on there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, it's okay. It has, oh nice, it has a comb in here right there, and it also says Sheen Real with a little metallic tail. Then it has a little book. Of how to color the hair and how to care for the hair. Washing instructions. How to even wear your wig. Yeah. And then there's extra clips or hair combs in here. These. Yeah. And this one also have the same wig cup that came in the other one. There's two in there as well. And that's it. It's empty. So let's move on to the hair. Okay. It also comes in the same exact flare zip bag that the first one came in. And this as well is 18-inch water wave. So this one is water wave, 100% human hair, 360 lace frontal wig, and is 16-inch. This one is 16-inch. So you see, the 16-inch is pretty much longer. So this one is 16 inches, and then the density is 180. The color is natural. Right there. Come on, focus. Focus. Right there. So yeah. The cup size is medium. And then the style is water wave. So, and it also has the little net over it. And a little paper in the little cap. And 360 lace all around. All around. And it has one. Oh, this one has a very long comb. I believe that's the back. One on the side, one in the front, and another one on this side. So four. And this is the body wave. Is that body wave or water wave? Water wave. Yeah, that's water wave. The first one was body wave. That's the water wave. I feel this one is thicker and longer. I don't think I've ever tried a water wave wig before. I don't think I've ever had one. And it's pre-plumbed too. As you can see how light the front is. I'm gonna try to put this on as well. Mommy? Yes, baby. Mommy? Yes, baby. Mommy? These lasers are so real. Like, they're so, like, it was made for me. Do you see that? I love it. Like, I am in love with these hair. I am proud of myself for the two hair I got. You're so gorgeous. I love it. So beautiful. Like, I love it. I'm in love with this one. Like, so in love with this one. Wow. I love this. And the smell, there's no smell in these hair. Like, I get a lot of the hair smell bad thing when I watch these videos, but there's no smell. Like, there's none. I like this. I am in love with this one right here. I love it. I would have to read to see if I spray or put more water, it's gonna be more wavier. I don't know. But I have to see. I love this. I love it. Ah, my hair, my hair, my hair. All right, guys. So yeah, that's the second hair that I got. I love this one. I am in love with this one right here. I love it. I would link all the link for the hair down below if you're interested in purchasing one for yourself. You can do so. This is not sponsored. It is no way, shape, or form sponsored. I bought everything with my own money, and I believe this one was $160, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And then the other one was they all came, total was $323 something. I can't remember. I would link it down below. But you know, Amazon always constantly change their prices. So you might catch them on sale or something. But both of them were like $320, $340. And it's not bad for good hair. There's no single hair on me or whatsoever, if you can see. So, yeah. That is it. Baby girl is screaming at the back. I'm not sure if she's hungry. So I'm gonna end this video right here. But again, I want to say thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Thank you for joining this journey with me. Thank you for joining my family. Thank you for coming along with me. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. Let's do this together. Help our sister out. Let's do this together. Let's do this together. Like, share, comment, share with your friends, family. Tell them to subscribe. Say subscribe. Tell friends, subscribe. Tell every one of your social media friends. Share my videos on your social medias and handles and let them subscribe to this channel and join my family. Thank you so much and have a great Valentine's Day and great rest of the month. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. Love you.